In a bustling city nestled between towering skyscrapers and shimmering digital billboards, a new technology firm called TechGlow is creating waves in the world of data analytics. This story takes place through the eyes of its diligent junior analyst, Elsie, who finds herself grappling with the monumental volumes of data pouring in daily. Elsie is passionate about extracting meaningful insights from data to drive business solutions. However, she is oftentimes overwhelmed by the colossal datasets she is tasked with analyzing. Identifying patterns and drawing conclusions manually seems like an insurmountable mountain to climb, and despite her best efforts, she often misses critical insights hidden beneath heaps of numbers. In this backdrop enters the world of AI. Elsie's manager, a visionary named Parker, is keen on integrating artificial intelligence into their data analytics processes. Parker is aware of AI's potential to revolutionize their analytical capabilities, and he invites Elsie to a presentation that he promises would change the way she looks at data. The presentation is conducted by a renowned AI expert, Dr. Lin, who effortlessly demystifies the intricate layers of AI. She explains how machine learning models can learn from historical data to predict future trends, how natural language processing can help comprehend complex textual data, and how AI algorithms can unearth subtle patterns invisible to the human eye. Intrigued, Elsie becomes curious about the potential impact of AI on her work. With Parker's encouragement, she takes on a project to implement AI in their analytics team. Although initially skeptical and apprehensive about AI replacing her job, she soon realizes that AI is not a replacement, but a tool to augment her capabilities. She begins by training machine learning models to analyze customer feedback data. With AI's help, she quickly identifies trends and sentiments that were previously buried under the weight of countless survey responses. With the integration of AI, TechGlow's analytics team becomes more efficient and accurate. Elsie can now focus more on strategizing and creative problem-solving rather than getting bogged down in manual data processing. Stay tuned for more updates.